Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set default alert time of events in calendar on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and then tap on calendar. Once you're here, you want to go to default alert times and then go to events. So the events means any other event other than birthdays are going to count in, and any other than all the events. So this means that a meeting, every other event despite those two, so birthdays and all the events, are this one right here. So here you can set up the time of the alert of upcoming event. So you can set it up for at the time of event, 5 minutes before, 10, 15, 30 minutes before, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 1 day, 2 days, or even 1 week before the upcoming event. You are going to get a notification that you are going to have an event like this if it is set in your calendar, obviously. So here you can set when you would like to get a notification about the upcoming event. If you click none, you are not going to get a notification. For me, the best works 1 day before and 2 hours before, but as you can see, we cannot change that. But you can change it when you're creating an event. You can add up more notifications to the specific event, but this is the default one. So if you are going to set the event and not set the additional notifications, it means that you are going to get a notification before the time that you have set right here. So if you set default to 10 minutes before and you're going to set up an event and don't add the additional notifications, you're going to get the notification the 10 minutes before. The best that works for me is 30 minutes before, so I'm going to leave it because the default alert time of 30 minutes works the best for me. This is the time that I want to have a notification, and this is it. So you just need to go in these options and I will show you again where you should find it. So open settings, swipe down, tap on calendar, then swipe down, go to default alert times and events, and here you can set up the default alert time of an upcoming event. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!